UI scaling, so this is a workflow from OpenArt, and personally I think its effect is really great. This image, I've zoomed in several times. Of course, I also tried other approaches, such as extending the half-body ribbon to full body, including this little mouse. Previously, there was no reflection for the little mouse, but now I've extended its reflection as well. I think the result is very good.
But this reflection might still have some imperfections.
The author of this workflow is this person. Obviously, this workflow wasn't created by me. You can see he tried many different approaches.
My evaluation is very positive.
Once you got the workflow, what should I pay attention to here?
The missing nodes must be installed.
So in this case, you need to be careful with the model. Especially from here on, each model should correspond to its respective part. Why say that? You can see from the comments below. If the model doesn't match, there will be many problems. Of course, I also directly told you the address to get it. The download is right next to it. Just go ahead and do it yourself.
I also can't make my own sharing because this is definitely the result of someone else's hard work and wisdom.
Maybe the download number is important to him. He recommended this large model, so I also use this large model. You don't need to put in any prompts here. Of course, I think it's also possible to generate more accurate image enlargements or have some impact by adding keywords.
As for the principle, I won't accompany you all the way to see it. If you're interested, you can organize it yourself. Check out the principles or something like that.
So looking back at the UI outside, we can also use this local repaint model to upscale images.
The conclusion at that time was that there were two main issues. First, the integration wasn't very good, and second, the operation was quite complicated.
Now in this workflow of ComfyUI, I think all you need to do is click to upload an image, configure the model, and then start it up, completing the whole process smoothly. It's simple, convenient, and the results are better than before.
For example, the seams at this area no longer look out of place. Okay, that's a simple sharing. I made some mistakes in configuring the model.
Navigate to RunningHub's AI or click the link in the introduction to register and get 120 HP. Log in daily to receive an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.